So, Joao, it's been a wonderful experience. So there's a saying right behind you: the cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek, which basically means most people aren't brave enough to do something that is out of their comfort zone. What's it been like for you stepping out of your comfort zone?
I didn't know what to expect, but I really enjoyed it. It was really great experience, and nice people here, and David and the two ladies also did very well, and we're very grateful. It's really wonderful.
Tell me something. It's been wonderful connecting with you and your wife Linda, and you guys came and did it together. And even though Linda wasn't part of the sort of the wealth weekend, but she came to the social events and she's here for the weekend here. What's it been like for the two of you to do this experience together? Because so many couples, only one party comes and the other one doesn't get to experience it. What's it been like?
No, it was good. It was very good. She was very happy to be here with us. She didn't join the wealth weekend because she can't follow everything that's going on.
Yeah.
And that's why she didn't do it. But she still enjoyed being around, and we socialized for lunch and for dinners, and she got to meet some people, which was great.
Awesome.
Really great. I really enjoyed it.
Well, listen, I'm incredibly proud of you. I've said it to you lots of times, but you've done lots of things as sort of firsts, and and a lot of people your age would go, "Oh, I'm too old to do this" or whatever, and you haven't. You just stepped straight into it. So it's been amazing, to see.
You're only as old as as what you feel.
Oh, brilliant. And tell me one last question: is it worth it for people to come and experience this venue and to actually be present here?
I definitely think so. This is a very nice add-on to the wealth weekend. Where it's so much pressure so much to take in, and then this year just relaxes you. I feel totally relaxed, which
awesome.
I really needed that.
Awesome. Well, we all need to stress out every now and again.
Yes. And thank you for organizing all this.
Awesome, Joao. It's been wonderful having you here. I really appreciate it. And good luck in Portugal.
Really good. Yes, thank you.
Cheers,
hope to see you there soon.
Definitely, mate. Cheers.